Imagine waking up every day with naturally long, stunning eyelashes. No mascara, no extensions. In today's video, I'll be sharing my top tips and natural remedies that will help you boost your lash growth. Let's start. Step 1. Cleansing. Cleansing your eyelashes properly is essential for maintaining their health and promoting growth. Use a gentle eye makeup remover. Always start by removing eye makeup, especially mascara, at the end of each day. Use an oil-free, gentle makeup remover or micellar water to avoid irritating your eyes. Soak a cotton pad, hold it to remove makeup. Step 2. Comb your lashes. Combing your lashes is a simple yet effective way to keep them healthy and promote growth. You can use a clean spoolie brush or a special eyelash comb designed for this purpose. Make sure it's clean to avoid transferring bacteria to your lashes. Be gentle when combing your lashes, as they are delicate. You can do this once or twice a day, preferably after cleansing or applying natural oils to your lashes to distribute the oils evenly. Step 3. Make your own eyelash serum. Creating an eyelash growth serum using natural ingredients is a great way to nourish and promote longer, thicker lashes. Serum 1. Castor oil, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, 1 capsule. Instructions. Mix the ingredients. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 1 vitamin E capsule, optional. Stir the ingredients together until they are well blended. Application. Use a clean spoolie brush to apply the mixture to your lashes. Start at the roots and gently brush towards the tips, making sure to coat each lash. Leave it overnight. For best results, apply the mask at night before going to bed. This gives the oils time to deeply nourish your lashes as you sleep. Serum 2. Aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon, castor oil, 1 teaspoon, vitamin E oil, 1 capsule. Instructions. Mix the ingredients in a small, clean container, like a small bottle or jar. Combine 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and the contents of 1 vitamin E capsule. If using castor oil, add 1 teaspoon of it as well. Stir well until the mixture is smooth and well blended. Application. Use a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab to apply the serum to your lashes. Start at the roots and gently coat the lashes up to the tips. Be sure not to use too much product, as it could drip into your eyes. Some more tips. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, avoid heavy makeup, massage your eyelids. Be consistent and patient. Natural remedies take time, so it's important to be consistent. It may take a few weeks to notice visible changes, but with patience and regular care, you'll start seeing healthier, longer lashes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might want longer lashes too.